Have you heard about the recent incident na naman sa Cebu Strait? May mga Chinese warships na naman na dumadaan at
Tama.
sinasadya na nagpapatay ng yung identification system nila.
Papuntang Hong Kong, ano?
Cebu Island.
Well, gaya ng posisyon ng ating Secretary of National Defense, we don't like that. And pag na-verify mo na naman yun, another subject of diplomatic protest by the DFA.
Pero how do you feel, sir, na parang that appears to be a blatant, parang nadyan talaga na parang pagbaliwala doon sa even the filing already of a diplomatic protest to the first incident?
It should be a subject of concern between the two countries.
So parang
Kailangan siguro,
dugyot na nga sa Boracay.
tingnan natin, basta pag may violation sa UNCLOS, we will file a diplomatic protest.
Hindi ba kayo para nababastusan sa ganong aktwasyon ng China, sir?
Sabihin mo na lang na we express concern with that kind of incident. Because if they keep on saying that we're friends, I don't think this is an act of friendship.
So do we expect that this will be included to the possible issues that the President will raise to Xi Jinping when they meet in Beijing this month?
Well, that's the call of the President. But any issue will always be open between the two heads of state. Depende sa kanila kung anong pag-uusapan nila.
Thank you, sir. I agree.
John, are you?
Finally, you're Mr. Agree, eh?
Sir, quick follow-up lang kay
Yes.
Bongbong. Tinanong ko na to dati and you said you will ask the President, bully po ba ang China?
Bully?
Ang China sa ginagawa nila sa atin ngayon?
Hindi ba? Sinagot ko na niya. With respect dun sa sinabi ni Secretary Lorenzana na when you drive away fishermen dun sa ating EEZ, I agree with him when he says bullying yun.
Pero itong ginagawa ngayon, sir, na dumadaan sa Cebu Strait, tapos pinapatay nila yung AIS nila, is that a form of bullying sa Philippines?
Bullying ba ang tawag doon?
Kasi,
Baka it's a
hindi ba?
violation of the UNCLOS. Violation ng UNCLOS yan kung dumaraan sa ating EEZ. I'm sure the DFA secretary will do something about that.